Hey guys, we got this product to review and it is a do-it-yourself paint your own cat lamp. It's super fun. There in here is lots of different paint colors. It does come with 2 paintbrushes, so they can each have their own paintbrush to do this. It comes with lots of different gems. Now, I love that this lamp is rechargeable because it has 10 hours of battery life, so you can have it on all night long, but then you just recharge it and it'll be good for the next night. It also comes in here with a paint palette, or you can just use the paint right out of these. But then it also comes here with a little user's manual, and it tells you exactly how much of everything you have. So the cat itself here is very soft actually. To turn it on, you're gonna hold here, and as you can see, it's gonna turn on. Now it has 2 different light modes. So the first one is that white light, and then that first one is this white light here, and the second one is going to be the lights changing colors throughout the evening. So this is really fun for the kids to be able to go ahead and do.